In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to open, and how to connect your email so you can communicate directly from a task and keep everything organized in one place. First, head to your space in ClickUp. Think of a space as the highest level home for a team, client, or project area. You'll find your spaces in the left sidebar. Open the one that contains the work you're managing. If you're part of multiple spaces, choose the one where the task you want to email from actually lives. This keeps your messages aligned with the right workflow and people. Inside that space, open the lists. Lists are where tasks are grouped by project, pipeline, stage, or any structure your team uses. Navigate to the specific list that holds the task you're working on. If you work with multiple views, switch to the one that helps you find the task fastest. List view is great for scanning, while board view is helpful if you organize by status. Now, open the task you want. Click the task title to bring up the full task view. This is where all the context lives: description, assignees, due dates, and attachments. Choose the task that best represents the conversation you want to email about. Keeping email tied to the right task makes it easy for teammates to see the full history without digging through inboxes. In the task, click on the comment area. This is the activity and collaboration hub at the bottom or side of the task, where you normally leave updates and tag teammates. Opening the comment field also reveals additional communication options. Next, click on Email and link your email. In the comment composer, switch to Email. Look for the Email tab or envelope icon. The first time you do this, you'll be prompted to link an email account. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your work inbox. You may need to sign in and approve permissions, so ClickUp can send and receive on your behalf. If your team uses shared inboxes, select the shared address provided by your admin. If you don't see the account you need, check with your workspace admin, as they might restrict which providers or inboxes can be connected. Once your email is linked, the Email tab inside the task becomes your mini inbox and outbox for that task. From here, you can keep the entire thread, attachments, and replies visible to the team, so context never gets lost. It also means notifications and task updates stay in sync with the conversation. That's it. Head to the right, space, open the lists, pick your task, click the comment area, and link your email in the Email tab. You're all set to streamline communication directly from your tasks.